Hello, Gary here at White Knights, and I'm here to give you a tour today of number 11 Mayflower Meadow, which is the house behind me. So what we have here is a 4-bedroomed ensuite detached. The garage has been converted into a home office and a utility room, which you can probably just about see alongside the house there. And we're in a really lovely position. Just to give you an idea of the location of this house, I'm just going to spin round. We're right at the end of a driveway, as you can see. This is the last house. So I'm going to step the other side of the camera now and give you a tour. So as you can see, the driveway here leads up to the very end of the cul-de-sac where this property is located. As you can see, we've got a lot of parking space here. Let me just point down the drive. Obviously that was the garage at the end there, and you can just see the window. That's the garage conversion, which I'll show you during the tour. But I'm just going to point out the frontage of this property. This is what we're overlooking. It's rather a pleasant location, as you can see, and just spinning round once again just to show you the approach. Trees and bushes just really making it a lovely spot. But I just want to point out this area here. You can see we've got a stone sort of area for additional parking, and then alongside the house, that is land which for this property owns as well. So lots of possibilities, extension, additional parking, whatever that might be. So let's now take you inside and show you around. So that's the front door there ahead of me, which is obviously the one I've just come through. We've got a little cupboard just to the left-hand side there, but let's just spin round. Door there giving access into the lounge, and then that's the view of the hallway from this angle as well. I'm going to start just by showing you the downstairs WC. That's just to the left here. It's a good sized WC, as you can see. We've even got a unit fitted here with storage inside. There's the low level WC and the pedestal wash basin there. Partly tiled walls, and to the left, just about see, we've got a large mirror fitted as well. So a really good size downstairs WC. Let's now look at the lounge. So this is at the front of the house. Let's just give you an angle from here. I will step into the room and show you the view from the window as well. So just spinning round, and then as you can see out the front there, very private view. We're right at the end of the cul-de-sac, as you've seen, with no passing traffic or pedestrians at all. Very, very nice little spot, this one. So now back into the hallway and through to the kitchen dining room, which actually runs the full width of the house. First of all, quick focus on the dining area. As you can see there, we've got the French doors leading to the garden, and then the kitchen area. So what we have here is a full range of units, integrated appliances, quartz work surfaces, really nice kitchen, a sort of light greeny grey finish. You can see we have the sink unit there overlooking the garden. Eye level unit in the corner is where the boiler lives, and we've got a 5-ringed gas hob there. Double oven on the left hand side. This is a fridge freezer here, and we also have a dishwasher just there. Nice lighting. You can see we've got the under unit lighting there, and an eye level unit. And then looking back across towards the dining area. I'll show you the garden and the outside home office and utility in just a moment, but first of all, let's show you the upstairs. So the landing with a window to the side there. As you can see, there's the staircase from the entrance hall. So just quick spin round. 4 bedrooms. Main bedroom has the ensuite and also the family bathroom. So let's go into the main bedroom first. So that's this one here at the rear of the house. The windows are all UPVC double glazed sealed units, by the way. You can see a door here on the left taking you to the ensuite. I'm just going to step here, spin round and just show you a range of fitted storage and hanging. And just to give you an idea of the view out the back, just sort of looking down actually, you can see the garden there, home office the right hand side. It's quite long towards the end there, you can just see two little garden sheds. And the ensuite now, ensuite shower, there's the low level WC, you can see heated towel rail to the right, pedestal wash basin and good sized shower cubicle. Let's point down towards the tray. A decent sized shower cubicle, nice tiling, and also matches the flooring as well, and a big mirror. Okay, so that is the main bedroom with the ensuite. Let's now look at these bedrooms here, three more. This is a double, as you can see. This is at the front of the house. You can see the UPVC double glazed window. Space for a wardrobe just on the right hand side, plenty of space for dressing table, desk units for children maybe. So that is bedroom 2. Bedroom 3 is this one over here. Quite a long room, as you can see. There is room for a double bed in here as well. This is at the rear. And I'm going to spin round and just point out built-in wardrobe just here. Great child's bedroom, as you can see. And then bedroom 4, this one here. On the left hand side we've got a built-in storage cupboard, as you can see. So this is at the front of the house. And then last but not least, the family bathroom. White suite, nice tiling again, which matches the flooring. And again, big fitted mirror to the right hand side. Okay, so that's the family bathroom. Right, that's the first floor. Let's now take you outside and we'll show you the home office, the utility and the garden. We're just stepping through the patio doors here into the garden. So yeah, quite a good sized garden, as you can see. It's a sort of L-shaped garden. Let's just point down to in the distance there. You can see we've got 2 garden sheds. There is an additional workshop there, which I'll show you. That's originally the garage, which is now the utility and the home office. And then spinning round, we've got the patio here. There's the gate leading to the driveway. I'm just going to point out here in the corner behind me, there's another gate. So I'm going to point over because obviously this is that side area that I showed you from the beginning of the video. So we've got access at both sides of the house to the rear garden. Right, let's show you the workshop first of all. That's the one ahead of me here. This has been really nicely finished, as you can see. A little bit of thought has gone into this. This effectively was built at the rear of the original garage, but really good size. There is a light in here. Can't quite see where the light switch is at the moment, but hopefully you can just about see. Really good size store, workshop, shed, however you want to put it. And to finish the video, let's show you this rather nice feature. This is obviously unusual. You're not going to see many of these. It's a UPVC double glazed door at the side here. So first of all, you step into the utility room. As you can see, we've got work surface there. Plumbing for the washing machine, I'm sure, under there. There's a sink unit. Front aspect window. Nice laminate flooring. In fact, I can tell you it's nice and warm as I've walked in here. It's a bit chilly outside at the moment. You see a couple of radiators there. And then opening here through into the home office. I'm saying home office, but to be honest, this could be anything. It could be a fantastic kids sort of games room, a gym, anything. It's just one of those rooms. You can see the side window there. UPVC double glazed. Nice laminate flooring again. but just a real great addition to the house. Okay, that just about concludes the tour of the house. I'm just going to step back into the garden to finish, and what I'll do is just point at the back of the house so that you can at least see just what we have. I'm just going to walk around here and then spin round. Okay, so that concludes the tour of this property. If you'd like any more details, do give me a call. My name's Gary. Telephone number is on the website, and equally it's the same number should you wish to book a viewing. And thanks for watching.